How to hide social apps on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can hide social apps such as Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, Messenger, etc. from your iPhone. So to do that, it is really quick and easy. So all you have to do is simply go to settings. After that, tap on the option screen time. Now scroll down and then go to content and privacy restrictions. After that, simply toggle this bar on. Now once you've done that, simply tap on the option content restrictions. And now tap on the option apps, and as you can see, it is currently set to allow all. So in order to hide all of your socials, simply tap on the option 4+, and then if you go back to your home screen, as you can see, all of the social apps have been hidden, and even if you try to search them on your app library, you won't find them anywhere. So that is basically how you hide any social apps on your iPhone. And if you want to unhide them, all you have to do is simply go back to that page and then tap on the option allow all. And there you have it. So that is basically how you hide all of the social apps on your iPhone. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.